Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a very short how-to video on how to change and adjust a visor on a K1, a K1s, the K3 and the K5s. All of those helmets use the exact same visor mechanism, so we'll have a look at it on this Grazie Valley helmet. I'll show you how to remove, refit and adjust. Okay, so first of all, open your visor. To remove the visor, all you have to do, simply pull down on this tab here, and that just pops the bottom section of the visor out. So you can do that on both sides, like so. Once you've got that bottom section out, it has to be in the up position for this to work. You just literally lever from the bottom a little bit and pull down, and it unclips at the top. So again, pull at the bottom and down, and the visor will come out. Very, very easy visor to remove and refit. That then exposes our visor mechanism. So we've got two screws. There isn't a lot of adjustment in these at all. You can see now, this isn't a slotted part, which means that there isn't really much in the way of adjustment at all for that mechanism to go backwards and forwards. With some helmets, you are able to move these side plates a little bit, which will then make a better seal across the visor seal. So to remove those two, you can see that here is the mechanism that holds the visor on. This actually slots in, so it hooks in at the top there, which again limits how much you can move it around. Press down at the bottom, you put your bottom screw in, tighten it up. You're going to need a crosshead screwdriver to do this. Now if we just put those in loose at first, what we can do is do a very, very minor tightening of the mechanism and the visor. So what we can see there is there is a tiny amount of play, and what we can do is just push that mechanism back as far as we can, hold it in place, and then just gently tighten up each screw one at a time. So tighten that one. We're not going full tight yet, just going to nip it at first and then do a last bit of tightening like so. You don't need to overdo it. You know, it's not a mechanical component. It's not like holding the wheel onto a car or something like that. It's very, very simple. So that's holding it in place. We've shuffled it back as far as it'll go, which will give us a better adjustment and seal on here. What we do have on these mechanisms, and it's only in the K5s now that you get these. So you used to be able to get a like a changeable mechanism part for the side here, and this changes how the visor ratchets down from being open, a few notches, and then closed. You could change that to either a fully open or closed, or you could get a green one that will do more kind of prominent notches. You can feel it kind of a lot stiffer. To change those, you literally just pull at the side there, that'll come out, and then you get this part at the front here and slot that underneath and push in, and that changes the way the visor mechanism ratchets. To put the visor back on, all you need to do is hook the top part of the mechanism in first. You can do it one side at a time like I said before, or you can do them both at the same time. So hook that in like so, and then just press firmly on the lower part of that visor there. So where the visor locates, top half hooks, bottom half press. As long as it is in line, you will hear that click, and that means that visor has gone into place. So press there, check your visor, open and close it a couple of times, and then you can see it's working correctly. Nice and straightforward. Tiny bit harder if you've got a dark tint visor, because you can't see how well you're locating or whether it's in line. but on the whole, one of the easiest helmets to remove, refit a visor and adjust. Hopefully that was a helpful video for you. Please leave us a comment, a like, subscribe to see more. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the AGV helmets, how to remove, refit, leave it in the comments. Until next time, ride safe.